Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay October 21, 2024 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong October 21, 2024 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Monday, October 21, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for October 21, 2024, Monday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Monday, October 21, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of October 21, 2024, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.